Hi guys, today we'll explain how to add Solana to Trust Wallet. This process is too simple and easy. The first thing is open the Trust Wallet application. Once it will be open, here you can see the other cryptos. What if I scroll down? Here is the option of Solana. You are seeing it because I have already added it. But if you have not found this one, then remember the icon and the name, and scroll down. And here you can see the option of Manage Crypto. Just click on it. On the top, you can see a search bar. Click on it, and here you have to search for Solana. Once you write Solana, you will see a lot of different crypto. If I scroll down, you can see this one is also Solana, and few other crypto. But here, you have to select the main crypto of Solana, because if you select the wrong one, then you will not get anything from that. So let's scroll up, and here this one is the main crypto Solana. Just click on this option. Then the Solana will be added to your wallet. And once you go back from here you will see the same thing like mine. And it was the way that you can do it quickly.